Hello children, what are curves and straight line? We already know this is a straight line and this is a curve, or you can say curved line. These are some example of certain curves. And what is similarity between these? These curves do not cross themselves, and they are called simple curve. And what about these? These curves cross themselves. Therefore, these curves are not simple curve. Now, a curves which begin and at same point is called closed curve or closed figure. This is a closed figure. Why? If you start this point, then ending at same point. This is also closed curve. Starting any point and ending at same point. It is also closed curve. A curves which do not begin and end at same point is called open curve. This is the open curve, starting at this point, ending at other point. This is a open curve. It is an open curve. Starting at this point, ending at other point. Open. Starting at this point and ending at this point. Open curve. Now, chapter 3, line segment, page number 20, figure 3. Starting at this point and ending at other point. Therefore, this is a open curve, and it is made up of curved line. Page 21, serial number 1, figure 3, closed or open curve. This is an open curve and made of curved lines. From figure 4 to figure 11, see carefully and fill the table yourself. Now, line. A straight line is a non-curved line which extends at both ends will never come to stop. Can you draw a straight line on your notebook or a sheet of paper? No. We cannot draw a line on sheet of paper. आप कहेंगे अभी तो ये ड्रॉ किए सर आप. नो. ये हमने लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट किया है, ड्रॉ नहीं किया है. वाई? You cannot draw a लाइन ऑन ए पेपर, लाइन, अभी हमने डेफिनेशन में पढ़ा लाइन विल नेवर कम टू स्टॉप, ये स्टॉप नहीं करता, कंटिन्यूअस क्या करता रहता है, एक्सटेंड करता रहता है। और हमारा पेज जो है, सीट ऑफ पेपर जो है, पेपर सीट जो है, वो एक लिमिटेड लेंथ का होता है। अगर हम इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड करें तो यहाँ आकर स्टॉप हो जाएगा, लेकिन लाइन स्टॉप नहीं होता और हमारा सीट क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर स्टॉप हो जा रहा है। डेट मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ ए लाइन इज इनडेफिनिट, अनलिमिटेड, इसकी लेंथ इनडेफिनिट है। और हमारा पेज जो है या कॉपी जो है, नोटबुक जो है, वो लिमिटेड लेंथ का होता है, इसलिए इसे हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते। क्या कर सकते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। इन फिगर 12 ए स्ट्रेट लाइन इज शोन with two arrowheads at both its ends. The arrowheads on both the sides symbolize the fact that the straight line has no end point. It does not come to a stop and moves on and on. Similarly, if we draw a straight line starting from a stated point that moves on in one direction without coming to a stop, we then call it a ray. OA is a ray starting at point O. In other words, we can say that a ray is a straight line that has only one end point. Thus, a straight line that begins at a point and moves on in one direction is known as a ray. It does not have fixed length. Line segment. Now, look at these certain lines that are used in making these figure. Begin from a definite point and end at a definite points. PQ, AB, AB, BC, AC. Such lines are called line segment. So, a line segment is a portion or part of a straight line or a ray. The length of the line segment can be measured. Now, some differences among line, ray and line segments. First point, length. It has an indefinite length. बोथ साइड से एक्सटेंड होते रहता है, इसलिए इसका लेंथ इनडेफिनिट होता है। रे वन साइड से एक्सटेंड हो रहा है, सो इट हैज indefinite length. Line segment has definite length because it has two endpoints. Endpoints. Line has no endpoints. Ray has one endpoint, and line segment has two endpoints. Drawn on a sheet of paper, no. Only represent it, no. Only represent it. Yes, we can draw a line segment on a sheet of paper. Represent AB and line AB. Ray AB. Line segment AB. Thank you, students.